How to sync files with OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to sync files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to plus button right here to upload. Tap on it. Then tap on to upload button right here. Select it. Then tap on to photos and videos, or you can also browse. Select one. Now choose the files you want to sync from your phone storage just like this and tap on to add. Now the files will be uploaded to your OneDrive account. You can check progress into the recent tab as well. To automatically sync photos or videos, enable camera upload in settings. And that's it. This is how you can sync files with OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.